This is a 5-minute meditation to cultivate kindness towards yourself and others. Take a moment to sit comfortably. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders and rest your hands softly. This is a moment just for you to connect to a feeling of kindness for yourself and those around you. Take a few deep breaths. As you breathe in, invite a sense of calm and gentleness. And with each breath out, let go of any stress or judgment. Allow each breath to connect you to a feeling of peace and openness, making space in your heart for kindness. Now, bring your attention to yourself. Silently say, "May I be kind to myself today?" And may I find peace and patience within myself today. Imagine a warm light surrounding you, filling you with comfort and self-compassion. Release any harsh self-judgments and simply be, accepting of yourself just as you are. Now, bring to mind someone in your life, a friend, family member, or even a stranger. Silently offer this person the same kind wishes. May you be happy and may you feel at peace. Imagine a warm, soothing light expanding from you and extending to them, filling them with a sense of comfort and ease. Allow this kindness to grow, reaching others and bringing a sense of connection. Gently breathe in deeply, and as you breathe out, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Softly wiggle your fingers and toes, and when it feels good to do so, open your eyes. As this kindness continues to grow within you, share it with others. May you have a good, kind day. Namaste.